Clapperboard. Welcome to American Dream Mansions, where every property tells a story of art, design, and timeless beauty. Today, we invite you to explore one of Naperville's most breathtaking masterpieces, the $10.5 million European-inspired estate known as Shamrock Manor. From the very first drone shot, the view is nothing short of magical. The blue glow from the upper facade gently kisses the white marble exterior, surrounded by 2.5 acres of lush, manicured landscape. This isn't just a house, it's a symbol of grace, comfort, and legacy. As the drone glides lower, the grand front entrance welcomes you with its slate roof, tall arches, and rich stonework inspired by European manners. The golden evening light reflects off the windows, giving a cinematic charm to every frame. When those double doors open, you step into a foyer that feels like a dream, white marble flooring shining under a crystal chandelier, soft blue lighting painting the ceiling, and air filled with calm elegance. The entire interior whispers luxury, blending modern design with old-world charm. Walk into the living room, and you'll instantly feel the heart of this home. The space is bright, airy, and graceful. Blue ambient light dances on white marble floors, surrounding silver-toned furniture and artistic decor pieces. The large windows let in natural light, and at night, the soft reflections make the room glow like a movie scene. This is where comfort meets creativity, perfect for quiet evenings, gatherings, or grand celebrations. Next, we move to the dining area, a masterpiece in itself. A long glass table sits under a sparkling chandelier, surrounded by white and gold finishes. Every meal here feels like a celebration. The open concept layout connects it smoothly to the kitchen, creating a seamless flow for entertaining guests and family alike. And speaking of kitchens, this one is the soul of the mansion. A pure white modern design, highlighted with soft blue LED tones, creates a refreshing and clean atmosphere. A large marble island rests at the center, with hidden storage, professional-grade appliances, and reflective cabinets that shine under the ambient glow. It's the kind of kitchen where every chef's dream comes to life. From the kitchen, your eyes are drawn to the stunning staircase. The spiral structure feels like a sculpture, elegant white marble steps with gold railings and subtle blue lights that illuminate each step. As you walk up, it feels like you're floating inside an architectural masterpiece. Now we enter the master bedroom, where comfort, style, and serenity unite. The king-sized bed rests under a ceiling wrapped in soft blue glow, while pure white walls keep the tone peaceful and timeless. Floor-to-ceiling windows open to the view of the gardens and the pool outside. It's private, it's calm, and it's simply beautiful, the perfect retreat after a long day. Heading downstairs, the entertainment level is a world of its own. A private 17-seat theater sits ready for unforgettable movie nights, surrounded by dark blue ceilings and soft lighting. Right beside it, a luxurious bar area, a pub-style lounge, and a 3,000-bottle wine cellar create the ultimate gathering zone. This is where friends laugh, stories flow, and memories are made. Next, step into the gym and spa, designed to bring wellness and peace right into your home. The space includes a sauna, steam room, and lap pool, all surrounded by blue-white lighting that creates a calming, resort-like atmosphere. Every detail has been carefully designed to make relaxation effortless. Even the garage at Shamrock Manor speaks luxury. White glossy floors, soft blue ceiling lights, and elegant cars resting under perfect illumination. It feels less like a garage and more like a private automobile gallery. Now let's step outside, where the magic continues. The 20 by 48 feet swimming pool reflects the blue sky by day and the blue glow of the home by night. Surrounded by white marble decking, a pool house, outdoor kitchen, and a bubbling hot tub, the backyard becomes a paradise of its own. Whether it's a sunny day brunch or a quiet evening under the stars, this space offers the essence of resort-style living right at home. The manicured gardens, the calm water reflections, and the architectural symmetry make this entire property a piece of art. As the drone rises again, the view of Shamrock Manor at sunset is unforgettable. The blue lighting from above melts into the pure white design below, creating a cinematic balance between elegance and innovation. This $10.5 million estate is not just a residence, it's a legacy, a vision of what happens when passion meets perfection. And of course, this presentation is brought to you by Luxury Houses, American Homes, your destination for the most inspiring and extraordinary properties across the United States. From dream mansions to modern architecture, we bring you closer to the art of fine living. If this home inspired you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because here, we don't just show houses, we showcase dreams. Luxury houses, American Homes, inspiring your dream house.